Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch C2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings you should see the option called display, select it, and here you should see the option called adjust brightness. Tap on it, and now you should see the slider for the brightness, and you can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on this slider. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.